think SDS has been the biggest product, the biggest also solution, I think, to what we're doing from trying to increase people's longevity and the quality of life. And so SDS has been the company that's had the biggest impact from a standpoint of their concepts and their solutions to helping patients. So they've been the biggest of any company that I've ever worked with as far as achieving those goals.
Tremendous. I think if I was to break it all down, it's a big part of my practice. I think all practices, implantology alone is huge, but people are willing to invest a little more because it's immediate. Because this implant has such great stability, you're able to shrink down the amount of time and appointments and cost for patients that want to go that route. It's a little bit more upfront, but I think patients, once you explain to them what they're going to go through and all the parts and pieces that they don't need, it's a good thing. Yeah, it's huge.
We started using it since 2019. So I would say from that point to now, we probably added, I would say probably another $1 to $1.5 million in revenue. From that start point to now to where we are. So it's hard for us to, for me to track it. I know the staff has it, but I know it's a huge increase because the patient population that we're seeing. Of course, it's a more expensive procedure. We charge more for a procedure like this. So it's bringing more revenue in for the same amount of time allocation.
I don't really know because I probably don't keep as close track on the numbers as I should. Call me a poor businessman, but I'm not in this business for money. Yes, it's a living, I provide a comfortable living for my family, but I'm in this to help people get better. People come see me because they're sick, and they've been to 15, 20 other doctors, and nobody has looked under their nose to find the problem. And so monetarily, I don't know, but there's a lot. It's a good Visa commercial, this could be. Let's see if I can think of how that would be worded. Let's see. Health, priceless.
The reality, I don't advertising directly like a SDS implant, but it's the efficiency. The efficiency less problem, more reliability. In other dental implant, I have a fracture or failure of a ceramic implant or titanium implant. Basically, not only depend of the what kind. I receive both type of patient, but the reality in SDS, I don't have any that type of issue.
Being able to do cases more efficiently in a shorter amount of time has definitely improved efficiency in the practice, where now it requires less time between taking the tooth out and restoring the tooth back to function, requires less time for me as a practitioner, so I'm able to do more procedures in the same amount of time, so it's definitely increased efficiency.
Oh my gosh, I mean, my revenue went up over 10 times in 1 year alone. It's skyrocketed because I'm just doing so much more higher end procedures, and I've also had a lot better work-life balance. I only have to work 3 days a week, and I get 4 days to really focus on things outside of my practice that I feel when I am at work, I'm really there. I'm not burned out. I'm feeling really good about my balance in life.